What if a city was destroyed by beer? Would you believe it? London. The year is 1814. No one knew that day death would come in the form of beer. At the Moen Company Brewery, a massive fermentation tank suddenly burst. Then more barrels collapsed, and in an instant, over 1.5 million liters of beer flooded the streets. Like a tidal wave, it smashed through walls, flooded homes and swallowed people whole. Some were trapped in basement rooms. They couldn't escape. 8 people died. Some drowned. Others were crushed by falling debris. The brewery was taken to court, but no one was held responsible. Authorities called it simply an act of God. And so, London went down in history. Not by fire, not by war, but by beer. For more strange and dark history, hit subscribe.